And let's begin by getting you all the updates with regards to the COVID crisis in the country. In the last 1 week or so, we've been seeing cases surging. Again, it's mostly in the metro cities. Focusing first on the city of Mumbai, because for the second consecutive day, you're seeing 8,000 plus cases being reported in the city. That means that the positivity rate has also shot up right now in the financial capital. Now, as far as Mumbai's Omicron tally is concerned, 40 Omicron infections have been reported in the last 24 hours, which means that the tally of the new variant in the city has gone up to 578. Just 3,735 COVID patients are admitted in hospitals in Mumbai, out of which only 948 were on oxygen support. Nearly 90% of cases are asymptomatic. 2 deaths linked to COVID were also reported. Schools in Mumbai will be shut for students from class 1 to 9 and also class 11. Offline classes will continue for students of class 10 and class 12. On Monday, Mumbai, along with the rest of the country, began vaccinating teenagers between the age group of 15 to 18. A total of 1,026 teenage beneficiaries were jabbed yesterday.
मुंबई में ज़्यादा ही संख्या बढ़ रही है, तिगनी चौगनी संख्या बढ़ रही है रुग्णों की, और इसमें बच्चे लोग 16% बच्चे लोग बाधित हो रहे हैं। ये देखने के बाद एक निर्णय हुआ है 4 जनवरी से 31 जनवरी तक स्कूल बंद रहेगी, ऑनलाइन स्कूल चालू रहेगी, और जो वैक्सीन देना है 15 से 18 तक वो उनकी बर्थ डेट देख के उनका सर्दी खांसी खोखला नहीं है करके उनको स्कूल के माध्यम से लसी केंद्र पे उनकी वैक्सीनेशन हो जाएगी।
मुंबई महानगरपालिका क्षेत्र में कक्षा 1 से कक्षा 8 तक के हमने क्लासेस 31 जनवरी तक हमने बंद रखने का फैसला किया है, और कक्षा 9, कक्षा 10, कक्षा 11 या वैक्सीनेशन के लिए इनको स्कूलों में आने की अनुमति रहेगी, और कक्षा 10 और कक्षा 12 इनकी बोर्ड की एग्ज़ाम रहती है, तो उनके लिए रिवीजन करने के लिए या उनका वो डिस्कशन करने के लिए उनको आने के लिए 10वां क्लास और 12वां क्लास जारी रहेगा।
Saurabh Bhaktania is joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates on the COVID numbers and the data. Saurabh, good morning. Second day that we're seeing 8,000 plus infections being reported in Mumbai. And while that figure by itself is worrying because it's showing that COVID is spreading very, very fast in Mumbai, the only silver lining is that hospitalization numbers haven't really, spiked or surged up like the second wave.
Good morning, Akshita. And yes, definitely that most of the patients which are which are testing positive are very asymptomatic or having very less symptoms. Let me tell you, over 70% of the people who have been tested positive are under home quarantine. And therefore, this is the situation for worry for the BMC officials. What they are getting reports that many of the people who have been tested positive are not following the home quarantine rules. And therefore, yesterday, fresh guidelines have been issued by the BMC officials saying that a strict quarantine rule, that is the home quarantine rule, has to be followed. Let me tell you, not just for the 2 days, but for the last 3 days, continuously over 8,000 cases have been reported in the city of Mumbai. And the highest cases of Omicron are also being reported in Mumbai itself. The BMC has also decided to shut down the school from 1 to 9 and 11, and online courses will be going on. But the major important other part is that the vaccination drive for the children have started. So they don't want that children go there and rush there because they are not going to come alone. They are going to come with their parents. So what BMC right now is telling that slot-wise and very minimum vaccination will be done. They are also not right now planning to vaccinate children in school and colleges. What they are saying is that for a week they will continuously monitoring the situation, how the children are getting any effective, any symptoms, is there any adverse effects. So for a week they will be definitely monitoring the situation. For the moment, lockdown is not what BMC is keeping eye on, but what they are saying is they continuously monitor the situation. They are advising the private sector that maximum work from home should be advised. But for the public transport, that is the most important part, the BST buses and the local trains. So decision will be taken very soon that how things can be figured out. Section 144 is already applied, but within 2 or 3 days, we'll definitely see few more restrictions because the cases are not going down. It is continuously going up. So yes, it is right now a wait and watch situation. The special task force along with the officials are right now monitoring the situation.
Okay, so no lockdown, but there is a possibility of more restrictions. Saurabh, thank you very much for joining us with those details.